Dear ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will help you to get rid of the browser advertisements and really intrusive and even malicious pop-ups that are related to the website Opedseveralm.xyz. Opedseveralm.xyz. So this is the website that periodically may attack your browser. The website Opedseveralm.xyz, however, primarily attacks Windows browsers like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. You can see that I have minimized this pop-up window displayed by the website because it displays pretty filthy content. It may display some images not suitable for the younger generation, so this is why I have hidden this content from your eyes. And also to make sure that Google does not accuse me of promoting these ads. So the website Opedseveralm.xyz tries to make you click on the special allow button integrated into this pop-up. It tells that you need to do that in order to watch some movie, but in reality, when people mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on allow, their browser gets hijacked and infected. People will be forwarded to a lot of other dangerous places. And they may start facing the intrusive ads in the form of push notifications in the right bottom part of the computer screen. If you have clicked on allow, you need to fix these issues. Go to the menu of your browser. Let's say we are using Firefox, so go to its menu, click on settings, go to privacy and security, find the special area called notifications, and in this area click on settings and look for any suspicious sites that might be causing intrusive advertisements. So if you find these sites that you don't want to show ads, remove them. The majority of these sites, by the way, should be pretty decent, but some are not decent and you need to remove them. The principle for fixing Google Chrome is basically the same. Go to the menu, settings, choose privacy and security, and inside settings find notifications. So delete any junk sites that might cause such ads on your screen. Also, I would recommend you to research your system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the program, and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threads on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threads may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner, consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.